It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be talking about the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. We're going to take a look here at an article from fxstreet.com. Of course, I'm not going to read the entire thing. If you want, make a quick Google search. You can read it in its entirety. Dogecoin price prediction. Doge anticipates 20% drop in favor of the bears. So look, right now we have the case, bear versus bull. This is pretty much how it is always within the stock market and the crypto markets. Right now, they seem to believe we're going into a bit of a bearish mode. Let's take a look at these bullet points right here, the most important thing. Dogecoin price has printed a bearish chart pattern that suggests the token is awaiting a 20% plunge. To avoid the bearish outlook, Doge must close above the 100 4-hour SMA at 19 cents, 0.196 to be exact, and the 200-day SMA. The upside potential for Dogecoin price is extremely limited in the short term. So look, in terms of planning and strategy, this is how I feel, right? They say that the upside potential for Dogecoin price is extremely limited in the short term, right? So what would we do? In the short term, if indeed Dogecoin does drop around this 20% mark, what are you going to do when it drops? Are you going to drop and fear that it's going to drop even further, or are you going to be a bull and load up and get ready when that reverses and heads back up? I don't know about you, but red days, they're starting to become my favorite days. And I'll tell you why. When we have red, we have more of a chance to buy. So red means more, even though the current price is less and going down. But red means more. That means you can buy more. And you could ride that back up, baby. So look, we're going to take a look here. They're showing you the chart pattern here. It's going up. This was in the month. It was around 16 cents. And then right here, it got all the way up to 21 cents. And they're anticipating this drop back to 16 cents. We're going to just check this out a bit here on the trading view. I actually mapped this out. And this is pretty much what I had a while back. Look, the same thing reads. This is the 1 month chart. This was the first support level right here at 16 cents during the month. Right now, this is where they believe that Dogecoin could be headed back. Then we have this second zone of support right here at 20 cents. That's where I had my support line. Currently, Dogecoin is a bit below that. It's around 19.5 cents right now. And then the big resistance level is that 22 cent mark. That's where Dogecoin is trying to push above. But look, let's be quite frank right here. If Dogecoin does drop from here all the way down to 16 cents, I don't know about you, I'm loading up on this thing. Just a quick disclaimer though, I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. But let's just take a look here. If Dogecoin does do that indeed, we could have a sling action going on here from this 16 cent marker where it can come back up to 19 cents, 20 cents, and potentially break this resistance right here. And if we keep going up and further up, we could see 24 to 25 cents. But of course, this is once it has pulled all the way back already. You don't want to get in right now like crazy. This is just from a strategic point of view. Right here, they're anticipating that dip. So let's just say, for example, you have $500 you want to throw into Dogecoin. Do not throw $500 into it right here at 19 cents. What you want to do is be cautious. Throw in 100 or 150 right now if you must and absolutely have to. Then you're going to wait for these pullbacks. If we get to this 16 cent zone, you're gonna throw in 200 bucks, and you'll be left with what? 200 plus 150, that's 350. You'll be left with about $150 that you will have in hand just in case Dogecoin dips below that 16-cent mark and keeps going further down. You want to throw in that 150 south of 16 cents because you will be able to accumulate even more Dogecoin. Of course, I'm just talking strategy here. You don't have to pay attention to that. I can't tell you what to do with your money. You can't tell me what to do with my money. That's the whole beauty of the market. But this is for those swing traders. I'm not talking about the diamond hands. I'm not talking about you guys, HODL for life. No, this is just for the swing traders that want to get quick profits in. But if you're a trader that is a long-term investor as well, you probably already have your bag that you're holding for long term and waiting for that glorious dollar and above for Dogecoin. But at the same time, if you're able to swing a few cents, make a few quick bucks, hell, why not? The market shouldn't be for losers, right? The market is for winners. So that's the thing with Dogecoin. I think we're going to see that 16 cents probably happen. And even from 16 to 19 cents will be a nice recovery up. So imagine when it breaks past that resistance zone and it keeps going up. So that's just one thing here for Dogecoin. Let's take a look at how Dogecoin is doing in the course of the last 24 hours. Dogecoin right now, currently 20 cents on Coinbase, which is around 19 and a half-ish. You know how Coinbase does, it's always a little higher because they like to factor in the fees and things like that. Over the course of 24 hours, it's down 3.65%, $1.1 billion in volume, market cap 25.6 billion. The supply for Dogecoin 130.7 billion. You'll keep notice that supply will get higher and higher because Dogecoin is pretty much created all the time. So yeah, just that this whole thing is about Dogecoin. And don't panic when you see the price like that. Don't panic when you see headlines like this. A 20% dip in favor of the bears. You cannot lose your mind. You cannot go crazy. A 20% dip for the bear just means a 20% increase from where you currently are right now, if that indeed does happen. You cannot put all your eggs in the basket at the same time. When you see those pullbacks, they're healthy corrections. People get in and out of the market. Just look at it as a new opportunity, if you will. And even if it goes back down below 16 cents, like I said, you should have some money left over and you strike there because you'll have more Dogecoin because the price will be lower. Therefore, you'll have a higher upside for profit. So always do keep that in mind. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so we can have more eyes seen on this video and so we can move that YouTube algorithm. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down, go ahead, it's all good, it's a free country. The news ain't gonna stop and I'm not gonna stop giving you the news because my people gotta win, always. If you haven't done so already, please do consider subscribing to the channel so you can stay up to date, notified, and informed. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.